Have you ever written something down that you felt was important and never looked at it again? We've heard this story from many people who use other note-taking platforms, which is why we've developed this new feature that helps people remember the important things they write down over time. This video will cover the benefits and real-life use cases of using a new feature we call Review. To use Review, you simply open Tools, come over to the side menu, and click on Review. And you'll see a view with 3 tabs: Review, which are the days and lists you've written things down on that are ready for your review. Upcoming, which are the days and lists that you've already reviewed that are coming up in the queue next. And Never, which are the days and lists that you've decided to never review again. As you review, you'll see one day or list for you to review, and then at the bottom you can specify the next time you'd like to review this list. Never again, next year, next month, next week, and tomorrow. To use a real life example, let's look at the list that I need to review here: oatmeal recipes. And these are all of the different oatmeal recipes that I have and use from, because I eat a lot of oatmeal. It's valuable to me because I like knowing the different options of oatmeal that I can make. So for this example, I might choose to review this next month. There are some keyboard shortcuts here, and I can use Command 2, and it will be set to review next month. Next up, we have cloning things. This is a feature of Tools that I'm brainstorming currently. I'm in the process of this, so I'm gonna review this tomorrow. It's really nice because not only can you choose when to review these lists next, but you can also make any changes, move things around while you're doing this. This feature falls under our Remember pillar of Tools. Of the 3 pillars: Write, Remember, and Share, along with reminders, the memories view. These are just ways to remember the things that you write down in Tools. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Please like this video. Thank you for watching, and have a happy Tuesday.